Hello and hi everyone, welcome to this training video. In this training video I will guide you how you can work on Adobe Photoshop animal project. I have to place an animal picture on the highway. So the project is quite simple. What we are going to do is that we will provide you data as well. We'll provide you two pictures. One picture will be the highway picture and one picture will be the animal picture. Okay, so first of all I will guide you about the guidelines, about the project guidelines. These are the project guidelines, and what you have to do is that I will give you the link of the production sheet. So this is the production sheet and I will add all your names here. So what you have to do is that you have to find your name on this sheet, and then you have to download two pictures. For example, HW 000001 and the second picture is WB 000001. So if your name is written on this column, then you have to download these two pictures from the Google Drive. We'll provide you the Google Drive link as well. Okay, so let me guide you through all the procedure. So first of all, what you have to do is that you need to go to this folder, and then you have to download two pictures. Okay, so I'm going to download. We are basically at the moment we are collecting the data. We are downloading all data on to our Google Drive. So that's the reason that you cannot find more animal pictures. Okay, let's download this picture. So I've already downloaded these pictures, these two pictures. So you can see WB0001.png and the other picture is HW. So what does that mean is that I have downloaded these two pictures. Okay, so let's move to that folder. So these are the files. So I'll drag these two files to Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so this is the PNG image of animal. This is wild boar, and we can use only wild boar for this project. No other animal can be used on this project. Okay, so in order to copy this animal, what you have to do is that you have to press Ctrl+A and then Ctrl+C. Okay, so this is copied now, and then you have to paste it here. Okay, now press Ctrl+T, T for Tango, and then change its direction. Okay, so we need to make it smaller, so it should look like that it's never Photoshop, it's the original image. So the project is all about that it should look real picture. So you have to be very careful that we have to make the picture like that no one can judge it that it's photoshopped. Okay, so the size is good now, and double click on it, and then we have to create its shadow. We can copy this layer as well. So for that, hold the Alt key and then press the mouse left button and then move it down. Okay, and Control T again and flip it as well, not like this, flip vertical. Okay, and then we have to adjust its shadow as well. Make sure there should be no gap between the shadow and the actual image. Make it like okay, from the keyboard you can move it and adjust it as well. I'll make it a little big as well, and then you need to right click on this layer, go to blending options, and then color overlay. Okay, so once you check this box, then you have to click on this color overlay and change its color from here to black. Okay, then click OK, and then we need to reduce its opacity. Okay, so it should look real. I think that's fine. I'll make the shadow a bit smaller. Okay, and the distance should be 50 to 100 meter between the camera and the animal. Okay, and make sure that you do not duplicate the image, you do not duplicate the background as well as the animal as well. So this is it. What we have to do, we need to save as one PSD image, and for that you need to consult the sheet. You need to type this code as well. So this is the file name, this will be the final file name. For example, PS 000001. Just copy it and then copy it by Ctrl C and then just paste it, and then create your folder on your desktop, my PS project work. You can name it whatever you like, my PS project work, and then okay, one image is saved, and then the second image you have to save it as JPEG, that's .jpg. okay, give it same name, but this time it will be .jpg. Just save it and click OK. Okay, now we'll go through from the guidelines. So the guideline will be next to main sheet. This is the production sheet, and next is next sheet is project guidelines. Okay, so the first guideline is that what you have to do is that you have to open Google Sheet and check your name on the sheet and download your data. Okay, this is the sheet. I've already guided you. This is the sheet. Then you have to download all your images, but first you need to check your name on the worker name column. Okay, the next thing is, the next guideline is check shadow direction. If there is no shadow on the highway picture, then don't make any shadow. For example, what you have to do is that you have to check other objects on the road. For example, if there are trees on the road and if there are shadows of the trees, then you have to make the shadow on the same direction. Okay, and the next guideline is animal size should be proportionate. Okay, what does that mean? That the image of the animal should be equal, not like distorted image. So what you have to do is, then while you are making the image smaller or bigger, you have to press Alt plus Shift while you are while you are reducing its size. For example, let me check as well. Control T, and then yes, I'm holding the Shift and Alt key, and then I'm making its size bigger or smaller, so it will be stay aligned. Okay, then double click to complete it. Okay, now what's next? Okay, I've already explained you they should be approximately 50 to 100 meter distance from camera. And next, animal wild boar can be on the road or roadside. So you can place the animal on the middle of the road or side of the road as well, the way I've done in this video. Okay, the next guideline is, okay, cannot repeat the same animal or background. That's also I have explained. Okay, next is animal picture edges should be cleared and background and animal should be matched. Okay, for example, you can see that there is no edges, there is no adjustment required on this animal, so it looks fine. Okay, also there is one option on Adobe Photoshop that if you go to image and then click auto color, it will adjust automatically. So for example, you can see its color is now a bit changed, so that option you can also use it. Okay, the next thing is export the PSD and JPEG. I've explained you as well. Next, update the progress on the sheet. So you have to update your progress on the sheet. So this is the main sheet. So when you complete your task, you have to fill this that it's completed. Okay, okay, so if you are interested in this project, what we are going to do is that we'll take your trial first, we'll give you some trial images, and you have to perform the same step the way I have shown you on this training video. And then after that we'll check it, our QC team will check it, and then we'll approve it if your work will be okay. And then on the final step, you will be moved to our final production group, and you can start your work. Okay, thank you.